A weary traveler stumbled into the court of Sultan Mas'ud, his face ashen with fear.
Your Majesty,
The traveler gasped.
there is an abandoned fortress in the eastern mountains. Every night screams echo from its walls. Those who enter never return.
The court fell silent, the ominous tale chilling their hearts. Sultan Mas'ud, known for his unwavering faith, gathered his bravest warriors and scholars of the Quran. We will face this evil, he declared, his voice firm and unyielding. No darkness can withstand the light of Allah's words. The warriors nodded, their resolve as solid as the steel they wielded. As they approached the fortress, a chill crept through the air, the shadows deepening unnaturally. The crescent moon cast a silver glow over the twisted ruins, where shadows seemed to dance with a life of their own. Recite Ayatul Kursi, commanded Sultan Mas'ud. The warriors whispered the powerful verse, their voices steady despite the creeping terror. But as they stepped inside, the walls seemed to whisper back, "Leave or be lost." A monstrous figure emerged from the darkness, a jinn of fire and fury, its eyes burning red. "This land belongs to me," it roared, its voice rumbling like an earthquake. Sultan Mas'ud stood firm, his hand on his sword, his heart anchored in faith. "You are nothing before the power of the most merciful," he declared. With a final deafening shriek, the jinn vanished into smoke, defeated by the Sultan's unshakable belief in Allah. The fortress, once cursed, now stood silent under the light of the stars. Sultan Mas'ud ordered the ruins to be turned into a masjid, so the remembrance of Allah would forever purify the land. From that day forward, the screams of the dead were never heard again.